Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Daikin AC that won't turn on and how you can identify where the problem actually is. So first of all, you need to check how your AC is behaving. If there is no display, if there is no beep, no lights, it means the problem is usually related to the power supply. But if the unit beeps when you press the remote and still won't start, it means the issue is likely somewhere else. Now, in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to try is simply use the manual auto button or the manual on and off button on the indoor unit. So these buttons will be available on the right side of your unit. So you just have to also open the cover and then press the small auto and the manual button. Sometimes these are outside the unit, so you need to simply press the on and off button. So even after pressing these, if the AC starts, it simply means that the indoor unit is working and the problem is likely with the remote or its settings. Now, if the unit still doesn't respond, you can just simply check your home's circuit breaker and the outdoor isolator switch. Now, sometimes a tripped breaker and the switched off isolator can prevent the entire system from powering up. Now, after doing so, you need to also take a look at any kind of light that is flashing over here. So if it is the operation light or if it is a timer light on Daikin system, these aren't just warning lights, they are the diagnostic indicators that help identify the issues such as communication faults or sensor failures or protection mode. So that's how you can basically fix this problem. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.